Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can animate drawing stamps on CapCut. So select text and you are going to go to draw. Then you are going to go to texture and find the sort of like stamp you want. For instance, this one. You can adjust the size here and also the opacity. But I'm not going to adjust the opacity, I'm just going to change the size to make it a little bit big. Then I'm just going to tap around using the, let's just erase that first. Tap around using the stamps like so. And then I'm just going to add a few more. Select the checkmark button. And you are just going to go to animation. And you are going to go to loop. And then you can choose from these like sort of animations. It is super cute, as you can see. You can make it slower or faster, or just the flash one maybe. Maybe the in, bounce in, spring in, fade in, etc. And that's how you can add in animation to drawing stamps on CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!